Tired of generic landing pages? Let's build something truly yours in Mailerlite today. First, log into your Mailerlite account, navigate to the Campaigns tab and then select Landing Pages from the drop-down menu. Click on the prominent Create Landing Page button. You'll see various options, but we're opting for the freedom of custom code. Look for and select the Custom HTML option. This blank canvas is where your design magic will happen. This opens up the HTML editor. You'll be working with two main areas, one for your HTML structure and another for your styling, which is where CSS comes in. Start by structuring your content with HTML. Think about your headings, paragraphs, image tags, and any other elements you need. This is the backbone of your page. Next, switch to the CSS editor to bring your page to life. Here you can define colors, fonts, spacing, and layout to match your brand's unique style. This is where you control the look and feel precisely. To add an image, you'll use an image tag, specifying the source URL for your image. This allows you to upload your own visuals or link to existing ones. As you code, use the preview function regularly. This is crucial for seeing your design take shape in real time and making any necessary adjustments. Once you're happy with your custom HTML and CSS, save your landing page. You can then publish it to start collecting leads with your beautifully designed, branded page.